Hello, my name is James Hope, and I am now a patient of Opie's for throughout the whole treatment over a year. I had a front top tooth break. Why? It came to my other dentist and Opie's opinion, and he proved it when I was under anaesthetic, that I actually grind my teeth when I'm asleep, and that's what caused the fracture of the front tooth. The other one wasn't so good either, and so my dentist, Kathy, referred me to Opie, who said that this was one of the best practices in London, and how good and talented at dentistry Opie is. Well, it was the breakage that made me feel a little self-confident. I usually don't do this when I smile, cover my mouth. I mean, I did not do that, sorry, before the tooth was broken. It was, for me, an aesthetic look that I wanted to have my teeth back. And Opie took me through everything, as I said, very thoroughly, and I decided to opt for the treatment that would actually bring my bite back to its correct position. He did that beautifully. I used to think that it was the two most scary words in the English dictionary, root canal. However, it went fine and I didn't really feel anything. For me, it was just dentistry, and I wasn't really looking forward to it, I must say. However, at that time, I was made to feel perfectly at ease with the treatment, and yeah, I think I responded well to it. And since I have my teeth now as they are after Opie's treatment, you will notice that when I smile, I don't cover my mouth. I'd spent nearly a year doing that as the treatment progressed, because sometimes I was toothless at the front for several months during the treatment, and I was still embarrassed to smile with teeth missing, and in time that treatment was proving to be excellent, and as you can now see, I have quite a decent smile, I would say. All round, I think it's been a very, very good experience. Well, I'd heard a lot from celebrities even, and other people, that they were a very good alternative to anything else for my particular needs. I was very, very confident that Opie would do things carefully, constructively, and caringly, which he did. Well, I felt confident that that you, OP, had covered all of the aspects, and it made sense to me to go for the extensive treatment that I had. OP has a wonderful manner, and he, as I say, thorough, and he puts one at ease almost immediately. I like to joke with him quite a bit. I like to make him laugh. I can do that very easily with OP. Everybody has been simply wonderful, in my opinion. All friendly, all very caring, and all very supportive, which I appreciated a lot. I feel very happy with your work. I now have the confidence to, let's say, be seen in public, which you know, it's nice to be. Back to my old self, when I had a full set of teeth. I don't go for things I might have eaten before. Throughout the process, I tended to eat softer foods and chew very carefully. And the way I feel right now is confident, I feel good, and it's all down to this particular dental practice. I can smile without any fear of issues. Yeah, absolutely. Yes, I feel good. I feel very good with the treatment I've had. I would say don't believe in that wholeheartedly. I had braces with this particular dental practice, and they seemed to work out really, really well, even though I am of an advanced age. I would say go for it. I would say go for it wholeheartedly, and be very confident about being under the care of Dr. Opie. I was a little nervous at first, but then I came along and all of my fears and doubts were put to bed. And I'm very happy with that. And I'm sure that any other patient who comes to this dental practice would actually, or should actually, count their blessings that OP is here. And I would just say to them, go for it. Some of it may be more expensive than other approaches, but you get what you pay for. And I got exactly what I paid for. And that's been great for me. And I would say to any other patients coming here, but it would be great for them too. And each time I came away, I was more satisfied, became even more confident, and I knew I had learned about Dr. Opie's dental skills, which I must say, for myself, and I would say to anybody else, put your faith in Dr. Opie. The guy is fantastic. All I can say is that to anybody, come to this practice, be very, very confident about it, because you will find that the treatment here is just lovely.